Hey everybody, it is a beautiful Saturday. So pretty, look at that sky. Ooh, so nice. Just finished some yard work. About to go pick up some paint. We've got a new house that needs many coats of paint. Talk about grown-up pains. But if you've been following this YouTube channel at all, or well, even if you haven't, but if you're watching this video and you're thinking of starting your own YouTube channel, or maybe you've started already, but progress has been slow. Maybe you hit some roadblocks that you didn't know you would hit. You know, there's always surprises along the way. Maybe you ran into some things that you're like, oh man, I didn't know I'd have to be a graphic designer when it came to thumbnails, or a copywriter, marketing expert with writing my titles, or an SEO expert with writing my video descriptions and tags and hashtags and everything that goes into that. YouTube is not easy, you know? Got to be a video editor, unless you're doing a video like this, which I am not going to edit. So there's that. But if this is you and you would like some guidance, some help, maybe you want a little bit of like indirect help, you know, you'd like some resources, or maybe you'd like some community help, you know, people that are in a similar boat as you, or maybe you'd like some expert help, or you know, direct help, one-on-one coaching, which is something that I offer. If you're interested, there's a link in the description below. But what I wanted to tell you about today is a school community, school with a K, that I started. That's called the NewTubers YouTube Collective. And it is all about helping people get started on YouTube, grow their channel, get their first 1,000 subscribers, and ultimately get monetized. Get your first dollar on YouTube, whether that's through YouTube monetization or affiliate links, or attracting people to an offer that you have for your business. Maybe you don't have a business, but you're wanting to start one, that kind of thing. So it all, you know, kind of ties in together. So if that is you, you are cordially invited to check out the link in the description below this video to join the NewTubers YouTube Collective. I post in there every day. I have a lot of resources I've added, so you don't have to contribute with the community necessarily or interact with people unless you want to do that. And of course, you'll always get a better result when you engage other people. That's just my opinion, but you don't have to. You could just go to the classroom section in the community and get some script templates or a checklist for your video production process, you know, from start to finish. What do I need to do to start filming this video, to film it, to edit it, to upload it? You'll get some thumbnail templates. You will get a niche finder course if you're trying to figure out how, like, what kind of niche you should be in, what niche your channel should be in. I have a whole like 9-module course in there that I created to help people solve that problem. And then of course there's the invite to one-on-one coaching. If you're interested in that, just email me. My email is woody@grownuppains.com. So just shoot me an email and be like, hey, I'm interested in working together. What does that look like? And we can figure it out. Okay. I'm here to help. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in that school community. Again, link down below, the NewTubers YouTube Collective. Talk soon.